Imagine a serene pond on a sunny afternoon. Ducks glide gracefully across the water, quacking softly as they move. They seem like nature's picture of calm and innocence, right? Well, brace yourself, because beneath those feathers is a darker story than you'd ever expect. Ducks, it turns out, have a hidden side that might just make you question everything you thought you knew about them. Let's dive into the bizarre world of duck behavior that will shatter this innocent facade. Back in 1995, a jaw-dropping study was published revealing something utterly unexpected about mallard ducks. This wasn't just any study. It was titled The First Case of Homosexual Necrophilia in the Mallard Duck by Kees Molliker. Yes, you heard that right. A serious scientific journal dove deep into the strange and unsettling behaviors of these seemingly harmless creatures. Now, let's rewind to the unbelievable incident that sparked this study. Picture this. It's a regular day at the Natural History Museum in Rotterdam. A male mallard tragically flies into a glass wall and meets an untimely end. Normally, such an event would be met with a moment of silence or a solemn nod to the circle of life. But what happened next was anything but normal. Another male duck, instead of leaving the scene, engaged in necrophilic behavior with the deceased mallard. And this wasn't a fleeting moment. It was a prolonged encounter lasting a staggering 75 minutes. You might be wondering, why would ducks exhibit such extreme behavior? What drives them to these bizarre ends? The truth is, ducks, especially mallards, have a reputation for aggressive and often violent mating behaviors. These include forced copulation and gang mating, which are, quite frankly, disturbing echoes of a Game of Thrones episode in the animal kingdom. In the high-stakes game of evolution, where passing on genes is paramount, some ducks aren't too discerning when it comes to the status of their partners, alive, dead, or otherwise. But back to the study that shocked the science community. Kees Molliker didn't just observe this once-in-a-lifetime event and move on. He meticulously documented every detail, from photographs to timings, and presented it to the scientific world. His dedication to capturing this bizarre event earned him the IG Nobel Prize, an award that celebrates scientific studies which first make you laugh, then make you think. This study pushed boundaries and expanded our understanding of animal behavior in unexpected ways. It became a cultural touchstone, generating discussions not just in academic circles, but across popular media as well. Through this one strange encounter, we gained insights into the complexities of animal sexuality, consent, and evolutionary behaviors that are both fascinating and unsettling. Now, if you think this is where the weirdness ends, hold on. Ducks have more surprises in store, particularly in their anatomy. Male ducks possess corkscrew-shaped penises that can grow up to half their body length. In response, female ducks evolved maze-like reproductive tracts as a natural defense against unwanted advances. It's like nature's version of a high-stakes obstacle course, complete with biological booby traps. This twisty and turbulent reproductive strategy highlights the chaotic forces at play in the duck world. The dark and twisted tales of ducks don't just stop with necrophilia and confusing anatomy. Across the animal kingdom, strange mating behaviors are more common than you might think. Dolphins, insects, frogs, and even penguins have their own peculiar practices that challenge our understanding of nature's norms. Each bizarre behavior offers a glimpse into the complex dance of instincts, evolution, and survival. So, what does this all mean for our feathered friends? It's a reminder that nature is as wild as it is wonderful, filled with mysteries and behaviors that push the boundaries of what we consider normal. Ducks, with their seemingly innocent facade, are anything but simple. They are a testament to the weird, wonderful, and sometimes unsettling world of animal behavior. As we wrap up this eye-opening exploration, let's reflect on what we've discovered. Ducks aren't just charming pond dwellers. They are complex creatures with a chaotic side that defies their gentle image. And while this revelation might change how you see them, it also deepens our appreciation for the intricate tapestry of life that surrounds us. If this dive into the dark side of ducks has left you intrigued, curious, or just plain bewildered, make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. And for more mind-bending facts about the natural world, hit that subscribe button. Who knows what other secrets nature is hiding, just waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, And remember, things aren't always what they seem, especially when it comes to ducks. Let's dive deeper into the chaotic world of ducks, where aggression isn't just an occasional outburst, but a way of life. Picture a nature documentary where the soundtrack is more Metallica than Mozart. In the duck world, mating is less about romantic waddles in the moonlight and more about survival of the pushiest. Forced copulation, as grim as it sounds, is a common chapter in the duck mating manual. This aggressive behavior isn't just random chaos. It's evolution's unfiltered handiwork. Why would any species resort to such extremes? It's all about ensuring genetic passage, even if it means turning the pond into a battleground. It's as if ducks are in a perpetual episode of a dramatic reality show, where every encounter is fraught with tension and drama. But wait, it gets stranger. There are adaptations that make this chaos even more bizarre. And speaking of strange, let's talk about necrophilia. Yes, ducks engage in this unsettling behavior, and scientists have pondered why. Some theories suggest it's linked to a lack of selectivity, a genetic urgency to reproduce at any cost. Imagine a biological clock that's constantly ticking, leading to decisions that defy what we call normal. In the duck world, it seems desperation knows no bounds. This behavior might sound shocking, but it's all part of a twisted evolutionary strategy. By mating with anything available, ducks maximize their chances of passing on their genes, even if their methods are, well, unconventional. This urgency doesn't just stop at behavior. It actually shapes duck anatomy in the most unexpected ways. Ever heard of reproductive arms races? Ducks are nature's poster children for this phenomenon. Male ducks have evolved corkscrew-shaped penises, which can grow to astonishing lengths. It's like nature's own version of an arms race, but with a twist. Literally, female ducks, not to be outdone, have developed complex reproductive tracts. They're full of dead ends and spirals, designed to give females more control over which genes make it to the next generation. It's a battle of wits and biology, where every twist and turn in anatomy is a response to the other side's latest move. This ongoing evolution has made ducks one of the most fascinating examples of how nature adapts in the most intricate ways. Curious about what all this means for the broader world of birds and beyond? Stick around, because the next segment will unravel even more surprising truths about our feathered friends. So, next time you see ducks gliding gracefully across a pond, remember there's a hidden world of chaos and complexity beneath those calm waters. It's a reminder that in nature, things are rarely as simple as they seem. And if you think ducks are wild, just wait until we explore what other animals are up to. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. You might think ducks are an anomaly in the animal kingdom, but hold on to your seat, because nature has a whole zoo of bizarre behaviors. Dolphins, for instance, have been spotted engaging in necrophilia too. Yep, the same playful mammals known for their intelligence have a dark side. And don't even get me started on some insects. Certain beetles will mate with anything remotely resembling a partner, including the exoskeletons of the deceased. It's nature's way of saying, why not? These behaviors might sound like nature's blooper reel, but they're gold mines for scientists. By studying these WTF moments, researchers gain insights into animal cognition, evolution, and even the mechanics of instinct. Remember the penguin studies from the 1910s? Researchers uncovered behaviors so shocking they were initially censored. Yet, these studies fuel our understanding of life's complexities, even when they're uncomfortable. Now let's circle back to ducks. Their anatomy is a battlefield, and it's fascinatingly complex. Male ducks have corkscrew-shaped penises. Yes, really, that can extend up to half their body length. In response, female ducks have evolved intricate reproductive tracts designed to thwart unwanted advances. It's like a biological chess game, where each move is about survival and gene propagation. Imagine this as the ultimate level of a video game, full of twists, turns, and unexpected challenges. In the end, what seems like chaos is actually nature's way of adapting and thriving. Ducks, with all their quirks and controversies, are just one chapter in the wild, weird story of life on Earth. So next time you see a duck, remember, there's more than meets the eye. And if you're hungry for more strange truths about the animal kingdom, hit that subscribe button. We promise more tales that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about nature. Until next time, keep exploring and perhaps maintain a respectful distance from your local ducks.